Balik 14 na mga tagang Barangay Salvacion with 4 minutes and 51 seconds to go. Daganta isang serving na napakahusay. Good for 2 points. Runner by Dagan. One of the best player ng Barangay po ng Manalo. Hindi kumonekta. Daganaga. Sasaksak na. Good for 2 points. Sumalampak without hesitation. Batang baka itong batang bakal to. Daganaga jumper. Daganaga. Knocks it in again. Good for 2 points. Back to back, 2 minutes and 10 seconds on the shot clock. Opening game, third quarter, 2 minutos. Basketball count. Was the man of the moment for team ng Manalo na taga Barangay Manalo. Daganaga muling sisimak ng dalawa for another layup. 1 minute, pumiti ka 14 naman taga Barangay Manalo. 51-50, 1 point lead, basketball count by Daganaga. 52-55, 3 puntos ang namamayani kalamangan ng Salvacion pa rin laban sa mga taga-Barangay Manalo. Daganaga, good for 2 points. Isa sa mga batang nagpahinga.